National Electrical Code, referred to as the NEC, does not specify a minimum height requirement for wall lights. However, the Illuminating Engineering Society, or WISE, recommends certain guidelines for wall light placement. For home use, the IES suggests placing the bottom of the light fixture between 60 and 72 inches, which is equivalent to 1.5 to 1.8 meters from the floor. In commercial settings, the recommendation is slightly higher, with the bottom of the fixture positioned between 72 and 96 inches, or 1.8 to 2.4 meters from the floor. Several factors should influence your decision when determining the optimal height for your wall lights. Firstly, consider the purpose of the light. Task lighting, intended for specific activities like reading, may benefit from a lower placement to provide focused illumination. Ambient lighting, which aims to create a general level of brightness in the space, can be positioned higher. Secondly, the ceiling height plays a crucial role. High ceilings may necessitate placing the lights at a greater height to ensure adequate and balanced illumination throughout the hallway. Thirdly, take into account the height of furniture and other objects in the hallway. Avoid obstructing the light by ensuring the fixture is positioned above any potential obstacles. Fourthly, consider the visual aesthetics of the space. The light should complement the overall design of the hallway and not appear disproportionate to its surroundings. Here are some additional tips to help you with your wall light installation. Firstly, if you are unsure about the optimal height, it is generally better to err on the side of placing the light higher. Secondly, as a general rule, ensure that the bottom of the light fixture is at least 30 inches, which is 76 centimeters, above the tallest object or obstruction in the hallway. Thirdly, consider using dimmer switches to adjust the brightness and ambience of the light as needed. This allows you to customize the lighting to suit different situations and preferences. In summary, while the NEC does not mandate a specific minimum height, following the IES guidelines and considering the factors mentioned above will help you achieve optimal lighting in your hallway. Remember to prioritize safety and consult with a qualified electrician if you have any doubts or concerns about the installation process.